Hello guys, welcome back to Let's Talk Engineering, and today the EU Parliament has voted to require cell phone companies like Apple to use USB-C. Obviously, Apple is the biggest company right now that isn't using USB-C. They're using their own charging port, the Lightning charge, obviously. So the EU wants to force them to use USB-C. So today, they voted on the proposal, and overwhelmingly they voted for the plan. So 602 lawmakers voted yes, while 13 were against. Obviously, this is a huge win for consumers in Europe, not the US though, since our parliament hasn't voted to require Apple to do anything. So basically, they decided that they'll push the proposal and make it into law in early 2023. So probably like iPhone 15 next year, they will have their Lightning cable, hopefully. So obviously Apple is angered because all of the Lightning chargers that's used currently is gonna be useless, and Apple gains money from lessening their own charging Lightning charging designs to other companies. So basically, if you're buying Lightning charging cables from another company, they first had to go through Apple to make it compatible with your phones. So with this new plan, it means that Apple won't be getting the money, and you can just use charging ports from other companies like Samsung. They use USB-C, so you use their chargers with your iPhone, which Apple won't be too happy about, because they want control over their phone, obviously. And their laptops, the MacBooks and the iPad already switch, and it's really weird because you're using USB-C for your MacBooks and your iPad, but now your phone, which makes more waste because now you have two chargers to use. And personally, I find myself very inconvenienced by that, and I feel it'll be so much easier if I just use USB-C for all of my devices, especially my iPhone. So basically, the reason USB-C is USB-C is gonna have a higher data transfer rate, and it's better at charging larger electronics, which is why they changed MacBooks and iPads to USB-C, because it's able to charge faster and it's able to charge more. And Apple phones is becoming bigger and bigger, so changing USB-C is going to be more important because it can carry more power, and and if iPhone is going to have a larger battery, it's going to make the charging quicker and less inconvenience to the consumers. Another part is that Apple didn't make much change on iPhone 14, so I hope next year, if they change to USB-C, they can have a bigger change. So thank you for watching the video, and if you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe. Peace out.